Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can find your hidden apps on your iPhone, iOS 18. And don't worry guys, it is quick and easy to find them. So here's how I can do this. And we'll do this step by step. So first things first, you want to search using Spotlight. So you want to swipe down on the home screen to open a Spotlight search. And then what you're going to do guys is you want to type the name of the app you're looking for. And if it's installed, it will show up, even if it's hidden from the home screen, okay? Then what you can do guys is you can navigate the app library. Just check the app library, swipe to the last page of your home screen to access the app library. Then what you're going to do, you want to use the search bar or browse through the categories to locate your hidden apps, okay? And then what you can also do is you can review your home screen pages. You want to long press on any empty area of the home screen until the apps basically start jiggling, right? You're going to tap the page dots at the top bottom to view all your home screen pages, and you're going to ensure no pages are unchecked or hidden. And then what you're going to do, of course, is you're going to confirm the restriction settings. So you're going to go to settings, click on setting, and then once you're in settings, you want to click on screen time, and then you want to click on content and privacy restriction. Then just tap on allowed apps and ensure that the app is not actually restricted. Then of course what you can try doing is you can reinstall from the App Store. So open up the App Store, search for the app, and reinstall if needed. Then if you see an open button, the app is already installed and likely hidden. So I hope this video helped you out guys. If you follow these steps, you should uncover all your hidden apps in no time. So if this video was of any value to you guys, make sure you smash that like button as well as subscribe to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.